In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Tor browser to the latest version. So by updating your Tor browser to the latest version, you'll be able to fix security issues that are associated with your browser, as well as fix bugs and also get the latest features that come with this browser. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this browser through my Google Play Store. So if I go back and tap on Google Play Store here, I just go ahead and search Tor Browser, and here it is, and then tap on it. Now you can see we have an update here, meaning I've been using an outdated version of Tor Browser, and this is not safe, and therefore I need to go ahead and update it. To update it, just tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Tor Browser and then install it on my smartphone. So once the update is done, you can see the update button will now turn to open, and now from here you can open your app and start using the latest version of Tor Browser. So it's good to always check for updates and update it to the latest version whenever they are available. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.